Hey everyone, welcome back to Hooville. In today's video we're going to go ahead and sort through our second season potatoes. It's gotten way too cold now and they're not going to last much longer, so we're going to go ahead and see what we got in the freezing rain. Whew. Okay, here we are. We have our 5 potato buckets, 5-gallon buckets. You can get these for free at just about any fast food restaurant in a larger city. You just ask them, hey, you have any pickup buckets you're going to toss out? And they have any. They'll let you have them for free. So we got free food grade buckets. It's a cheap, easy tip for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and empty these out into this raised bed. It still needed just a little bit more dirt, so that kind of works out. We'll just have that dirt on top before I put some mulch on top. A little backstory about these potatoes. We started them a little later than we wanted to, in later August. And these potatoes actually traveled with us all the way from our old home to here at our homestead, and ever since they got here they just did not grow like they used to. I don't know whether the travel kind of stunted their growth or the new environment. I didn't think the temperature was really that much different, but for whatever reason they really kind of stopped growing after that. And once colder temperatures set in, we didn't have a greenhouse set up like we wanted, so I went ahead and put them in our well house because it was warmer in there, and I kept them in there in the evening, and during the day I'd take them out for some sunlight, and of course I watered them. But to be honest, they just weren't performing like we were hoping, and so we're just going to go ahead and cut our losses now and see what we got. Okay, bucket number 1. Really small ones just didn't perform. You can see where some were starting to grow. Very small though. I honestly think it was the move that ruined everything for them. One right there. Oh, there's another. Spread this out a little bit so make sure we sort through all of them. Thank you, Mr. Potato Plant. We're going to use you for compost. I think, oh wait, there's still more of the plant. Forgot we had 2. Oh, potato at the base. Not big, but we really didn't have high expectations considering everything that happened, so. Alright, looks like that is it for number 1. So We'll see what number 2 has. Such a beautiful plant. Oh, got a little one. Most of these are going to be much smaller. Really wish we'd gotten to this sooner. We'll definitely have enough soil for this bed by the time we're done. We need to just a little bit more. There's another one. And another. This one's producing a lot better. A couple more. Thank you, Miss Potato Plant. There's another. So we'll have some smaller potatoes, so that's something. Very, very little. Another. Ooh, I'll tell you what, my hands are getting cold. Another. Not a huge harvest. I wasn't expecting a huge harvest. Not with all the pitfalls he had, but hey, something's still better than nothing. It's important to be grateful. Stuff won't be sticking to me. And one more. That might just be it. Ooh. Thank you, Miss Potato Plant. Alright. Number 2 is done. On to number 3. This one's not looking so good. Oh wait, spoke too soon. Got one. A couple more. Definitely gonna have to rinse these off. Another. Another decent sized potato, at least compared to what we've had. Holy cow. You're pretty big. I'd say you're pretty big. That's the biggest one we got. Right there. Nice. It's funny because I really started to think this plant was going to underproduce even more so than the others. And then we get something that big. Alright, another small one. Oh. May not be enough for Thanksgiving mashed potatoes, but not a total loss. I guess I could be wearing gloves during this, but I'll be honest. It's just easier to feel around without them. I don't mind getting dirty. Alright. I'm going to have to rake all this into the rest of the bed when we're done. Now we're starting fill up quite a bit. Okay, number 4. Whew, that one had a lot more soil to it, didn't it? There's one. Another. Well, Mr. Earthworm. New home down in here. Small one. Small ones, 3. Couple more. Another pretty small one. Okay, I think this one's done. If we have any more from this plant. All right. Okay, now that that's done, it started snowing. I'm sure you guys have noticed. This is our haul. I counted out 43 potatoes. When you consider we only had 5 buckets and 2 plants from each bucket, it's not too bad of a haul. So I'm going to go ahead and take these into our well house. Let them cure. Alright, got them here in our well house. So we're going to sit for a while till they cure. Well, that's pretty much done and leveled out. Even found another little one to add to the bucket. So, got that leveled out. I'll probably take care of the mulch tomorrow. Did find one little potato to add to our bundle. Well guys, that's all for today. Snow's really starting to pick up and it's pretty cold out. My hands are freezing, so I'm going to go inside. Thanks for watching. Take care. We'll see you back here at Hooville in the next video.